Uh, Today we are starting about chapter 15, improvement in food resources. Actually, uh, we are directly starting from crop seasons actually because before it the topics are literally that basic only you can read from NCRT and all helping books. All right, so let's start. Kharif crops and Rabi crops. We are doing the here differentiation. So Kharif crops. See, they are monsoon, or we can say rainy season crops. And these Rabi crops, we are changing the color actually. These Rabi crops are non monsoon or winter crops. All right, they are monsoon or winter crops. All right. Now next page. Next differentiation is here Kharif, here Rabi, and they grow in hot and wet type of climate, wet condition, and they grow in cold and dry conditions. All right, all right. Now third difference is this is the main difference actually. They are sown in uh, beginning of rainy season between June to July and harvested in the end of monsoon. Obviously harvesting is done end of monsoon actually, but in September to October. And if we say about Rabi crops, then they are sown in October to, see here relation, October to November, and they are harvested in March to April. So these differences are very main difference, these, because you can write this also at back. I can show you this also, you can write this is very important. This is also and hot and humid climate, but this is not sufficient actually according to their marks. Now see, now we are giving here examples of Kharif and Rabi. So actually here Kharif is rice, wheat. Sorry, I've done mistake here actually. Yes, here maize, groundnut, or green pea, yeah, green gram. And this Rabi crops, wheat, barley, mustard, linseed, etc., etc. All right. Now these are some differences. Now let's start our basic, means let's start our syllabus now. These are previous class also you studied this, but let's start this. See, improvement to improve yield. What measures we can take? We can take three scientific approaches. These are scientific approaches that are adopted in India. That are adopted in India to obtain its maximum yield. All right. To improve yields, three scientific approaches there to improve their maximum yields in India. They are adopted. All right. See, we will study today one only because the video will be larger, because so yes, we'll study short today, and we'll continue it in the next lecture. All right. First is crop production management. Crop production management, see, it actually refers to controlling the various aspects of crop production here only, as name itself says, to improve their various aspects of crop production. All right, to obtain their maximum yield. All right, to obtain their maximum yield. All right, so let's study. See, actually we can study from till manual roles, because it is main I've seen till uh, it is so very actually big, the factors controlling and all, so it is not just this, but it is still like crop rotation and advantages of that. So let's go see. First we'll study about nutrient management. First we will study about nutrient management. See, nutrient management, what is it? See, there are three words I will tell you that you can write in paper to get good marks. Actually, if it says to state this topic in paper, so the three words are selection, timing, and amount of nitrogen. See, these words selection, timing, and amount of nitrogen, amount of nutrients. Sorry. Uh, amount of nutrient, amount of nutrients supplied to the crops. All right. In uh, when you are putting that nutrients in them, or if they're getting from the like water, and there are two main aspects also, like manure and fertilizer, we'll study now. And selection means we are selecting good quality seeds, we are selecting actually good quality seeds. All right. Now I am changing the color. All right, this you understood. See, there are 40 elements. I will tell you some facts actually. There are 40 elements actually found in the plant ash. If we burn any plant, dead plant we burn, so we get 40 elements in that. Oh my god. All right. And see, but only 16 elements is essential. 16 elements are supplied to plants for their growth and their development. All right, you understood this? All right, so Okay, so see, guys, we are first studying about the source here. Here nutrient and their type. Actually, there are two types of nutrients: macronutrients and micronutrients. All right. So first we are studying about this. Then we are studying about the types also. First we are studying about the air where we get nutrients about. See, air. Air contains oxygen. You know, oxygen, and air contains carbon also. So yes, these two are nutrients getting from air. There are two, and they are in small amount, so they are macronutrients. They are in large amount. Sorry, because macronutrients are uh, utilized. All right, this means so they are required in large quantities. Macronutrients. Now next is from water. What would we, which nutrients we get? So yes, hydrogen we get H2O. So H, oxygen to air in that, oxygen from air only. Water, hydrogen we get only one. This also in macronutrients. Actually this table is I think in NCERT also. Okay, let me check and let you know. Soil. See, soil contains many nutrients. Actually, actually six macronutrients and seven macronutrients, and they both are getting from only soil only. The source are one. So let's talk first one point. First point is nitrogen. First is the NPK only. You know NPK? You know NPK? Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Now this is phosphorus. Alright. Next is calcium and Mg, magnesium and sulfur. Alright? Alright. And next is iron. This second point, alright. They are seven, and before one is was six. See, iron, manganese, and this is very important, molybdenum. Its chemical name is MO. Alright, chlorine, copper, C, you know, all you know, boron, sorry, B only, and zinc, Zn. Alright, you understood this? So you have to memorize this. Alright, now we will talk about micro and macronutrients. First we will talk about obviously macronutrients. Macronutrients. Alright, so see macro element nutrients, they are in large quantities. Alright, they are required in large quantities, and they have no significant role and they have no significant role in electron transport or in any enzyme activity. Alright, see, they are required in large quantities and they have no significant role in any electron transport or in any enzyme activity. Alright, like examples I have given here. Now we will talk about micro micronutrients. So actually see, they in small quantities, they are required in small quantities. All right, and second, yes, they are involved in enzyme activity and electron transport. Alright, they are required in small quantities and they are involved in enzyme activities and in electron transport. Alright, you understood this? Alright. Now see, I hope you understood this. So let's talk rest of the topic in the next lecture. Till then, I hope you understand to be helpful this video. So please, good.